Vishnupriya from 5th grade. Today thought of the day. Hard work beat talent when talent doesn't work. Effort learn to success. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohandas Gandhi for 5th grade. Today word of the day, diligent, meaning who works hard carefully, persistently towards a goal. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Lashyasri from 5th grade. Today's sloka. Ashmin paratvan anupada kalpe pramikta mukta pitapadbayonihi ananta bhuma mamarodarashim నిరుద్ధివాతాలయవాస విష్ణు. అర్థం పరమాత్మ గురువాయూరూర అలయ శ్రీ మహావిష్ణు ఈ విధముగా బ్రహ్మకల్ప ప్రారంభమున చరాచర సృష్టి చేయటకై బ్రహ్మదేవుని ఆవిర్భింప చేసితివి. ఈ విధముగా అనంతమైన మహిమలున్న శ్రీకృష్ణదేవ నీవు నా దయతో నా రోగములన్నీ పోగొట్టుము. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Good morning one and all. Myself Manjushri from 5th grade. Today great personality. Tatyatop was a permanent commander in his first freedom struggle. His real name was Ramachandra Pandurangaro Navalikar. He is also known as Tiger of Maharashtra. He was born on 16 February 1814. His father name was Ramachandra Pandurangaro. His mother name was Rukmabai. Tatyatop had a calm standing for Lakshmibai and Nana Sahib. He played an unforgettable role in the freedom struggle of 1857. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Manohar from 5th grade. Today news. Donald Trump sues BBC for defamation over editing for $10 billions in damages. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself Anand from 5th grade. Today news. Law says only local officials can register notice to electors in Bengal Central EC. Some clearly felt notice. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself Bhavin from 5th grade. Today's sport news. Shubman Gill must play the Virat Kohli role in T20s. Please keep Das Gupta. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Pushpa Mam from 5th grade. Today news. AQL Chockers as Delhi CM arrived from Messi event fighting the air pollution. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Soni from 5th grade. Today news. Wanted to take our Perplexity AI promise to the next level. Try this 5 tips and tricks. Thank you all. Now I see Pushpa sing a song. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Myself Ayushi from 5th grade. Today's song. Good morning everyone. Myself Pushpandi from 5th grade. Today's song. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. Thank you everyone. Good morning one and all. We are going to present a powerful silent act titled Kindness. Before we begin, let me introduce our characters. Likit, careless bike rider. Adonaidu is the boy who gets need help, and rest of them are friends and narrator. Let's begin our skit. Adonaidu is going home. After school, suddenly a bike hit him. He fell to the ground, hurt and helpless. People saw him laying on the road. Some scared. Some took photos. Some made videos. But no one helped. Then came a girl. She saw the boy laying on the ground. She gave him water and tried to help. After seeing it, kind heart, one by one they also came forward and offered help. Sometimes one small act of kindness can inspire many others. Always be kind. I would like to thank the